สวัสดีครับ My name is Kid from Bangkok lawyer. I am a Thai lawyer. So what I would like to talk with you guys today is about how can a victim of criminal offense claim a compensation here in Thailand. As you guys know that right now we have a lot of foreigners traveling to Thailand every day. A lot of foreigners from several countries, from United States, from UK, from Middle East, from Southeast Asia, or even from African continent coming to Thailand. A lot of foreign tourists here in Thailand. Especially next month we got the Thai New Year Songkran festival, so there are gonna be a lot of more tourists coming to Thailand next month. And what about if when you stay in Thailand? Of course, Thailand we have a law and regulation that very enforceable to anybody to breaking the law. You could get arrested. You could put in jail if you breaking a criminal law, right? What about if you become a victim of the criminal offense? If you are a foreigner, you got hit by a drunk driver, you got assaulted by somebody here, and then you're gonna have to be in the hospital for treatment like 4 or 5 months. You're gonna have to pay the medical bills, 200,000-300,000 baht. And then how can you claim the compensation from those persons? So if the case is going to the court and then you got like prosecutor who representing you, or you got a lawyer, you can ask your lawyer to submit a petition to the criminal court and request the criminal court to issue the order to issue the order to the defendant to pay your compensation. That's the thing here. You don't have to go to the civil court again and filing a civil lawsuit against the defendant. If you have a lawyer or the prosecutor who can represent you in the criminal court, you can ask them to do that. And then after the court issue the court judgment, right? Then the criminal court is gonna have to consider about the amount of the compensation that they gonna have to order the defendant to pay you, right? And then once you win in the criminal court, you get a judgment. The defendant going to be put in the jail, and then you're gonna be compensated. You're gonna get a compensation as well. That's the thing here. You don't have to go to hiring a lawyer to sue them in the civil court for the additional compensation. You can do it in the criminal court. Alright guys, hopefully you guys can get some understanding about how to claim a compensation if you are the victim of the criminal offense in Thailand. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ